Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Oh, I am so excited. One, because I have energy to do a live stream today. So I'm really excited about that because my energy has been very low for the past few days. So I'm really excited that I have the energy to do a live stream today. So that's why I'm up and at it early this morning before I go to the farmer's market. I went 2 days without doing a detox drink. And this is what I noticed. One, I'm not sure if my adrenal fatigue or my iron is affecting my energy. I really feel maybe it's a combination of both. But because of the lemon and the apple cider vinegar in the detox drink, I feel by drinking it in the morning was giving me that extra boost to go. So I could have been having problems with my energy before that, but because I've been taking this detox drink for 45 days, this will be officially day 46 without skipping, taking out the 2 days I missed. I could have been having issues with energy before, but just didn't know because the drink gives me energy. So those of you that like to drink coffee, listen, this detox drink is everything. It's healthier, it's better for your skin, it's better for your hair, and good morning, and it's healthier for your body compared to coffee. So that's what I noticed. The 2 days that I did not detox, one, my energy was very low for the last week. But I felt like the last 2 days I really dragged a little bit more. Also, what I noticed from not taking the detox drink the last 2 days is that I've been eating so much more. So it's almost like I've been getting a license to eat the last 2 days, which is horrible. So when I tell you the detox drink does curb your appetite, it curbs your appetite, and I'm sure it's because of the cayenne pepper, which the spice, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, both of those things help to curb your appetite. So definitely, even if after my juice fast, I don't do the full detox drink, yes, I am going to be at the farmer's market today. I'm going to be leaving here in about 15-20 minutes to be there by 9 and open up. So I will be there today. Even if I don't do the full detox drink after my juicing cleanse, I will always be sure I do something with lemon and cayenne pepper in the morning. Those two are very good to start your day. So if you want to do something very basic to get your body going, to take something healthy, first thing in the morning, you want to do warm water with half a lemon. You're welcome. With half a lemon, cayenne pepper, and you can do a little apple cider vinegar, or you can keep the apple cider vinegar out. I would suggest, if you can handle the detox drink, continue doing the detox drink. Again, because I'm listening to my body, and my next phase I'm starting is the juice cleanse on Monday. So I'm being mindful of maybe not detoxing too much. So I'm going to stop this detox drink for the 7 days that I'm doing the juice cleanse. Now, guys, my juice cleanse, I don't know how long I'm going to do it for. A lot of people that's in the group that I'm doing the group juice cleanse with went longer than 7 days. But for sure, on social media, I'm going to shut down for 7 days, starting Monday to the following Monday. And I will let you guys know when I come back on if I'm going to continue the juice cleanse. I just will continue it live if I decide to do it. It's all about listening to your body. So what else did I learn the 2 days I did not take the detox drink? I ate a lot more. I had less energy. So those two in itself just made you feel kind of... So I'm so excited to have the energy, like I mentioned before, to do this detox drink this morning before I start my day, and I'm looking forward to an amazing day now that I know how beneficial this detox drink is. So let me fill up my cup with water, 1 second. And while I'm doing that, guys, again, Especially those on Facebook, it's easy to share my live streams. Those that are on Instagram, you could always share it with a friend before, after, during the live stream. I'm excited and I'm waiting for the customer to give me her approval because it's her testimony and her picture. Of course, I won't have her name when I share it, but I'm really excited because she's the first customer that not only used my product on the inside, but took my advice to detox and start clean. Use my product on the outside and also took my advice to start detoxing the inside. And within 2 weeks, she found really, really, really good results by listening to what I've been saying, implementing them, and really seeing a change in her face. Good morning, baby. Seeing her change in her face. So I'm just waiting for her approval to share her testimony so I can share it with you guys because I think it's amazing. And those that have cystic and hormonal acne, you can see what she's used to help herself out, especially she has oily skin. So you'll know what her regimen was and what she was able to do to help heal her skin. And I'm looking forward to hearing from her in a month, 2 months, 3 months, because I want to follow her skincare journey. Especially, she's added the detox into her journey. So I'm looking forward to seeing how her skin transformed from the inside and outside. So I'm excited about that. I will share it today because I'm sure she won't mind me sharing her testimony. So guys, what other announcements? My detox starts on Monday. That means the last time you will see me is tomorrow until June 11th. Yeah, tomorrow until June 11th. So if you have any questions, you have any concern, you want to know what you need, you want to know what to do the next 7 days, I will not be on social media. I will not be answering my emails, and I really want to kind of just put my phone down, but we'll see how that goes. But definitely I will not be on social media. So if you have any questions regarding mind, body, skin, and hair, shoot me a DM before midnight tomorrow night before I start my juice fast. So that's the last announcement I wanted to make. And let's do this. So, sea for cayenne pepper, which helps with circulation. And if you're just joining the live stream, you could catch the beginning where I talked about what I went through the 2 days I did not detox. Sea for cayenne pepper. Now, I don't have any more lemon, shame on me, but I'm going to try lime, and we'll see how that works. I've never tried lime in a drink, but we'll see. I'm using half a lime. Oh, does anything want to come out? Okay, so clearly not as much juice comes out in a lime as in a lemon. Okay, so I used half a lemon. A for apple cider vinegar. I'm going to take my shot on the side. Good morning, Dave. So 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Remember, drink it 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. Dave, if you want to watch the replay, once we're done, I talked about what I'm going to be doing with my body next and not being on social media for 7 days starting on Monday. All right, this was potent today. So apple cider vinegar. I have the water in here. For you guys, you're going to use S for sweetener, which is agave or good morning, or honey. And then you use E for your smooth sensation, which is extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Apple cider vinegar helps to stimulate your system. The sweetener, I don't think I did a live stream on the benefits of honey. I don't remember. I gotta check. I think I did though. And then with me, I'm gonna add diatomaceous earth because I'm still working with the parasites. Where's my diatomaceous earth? So I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon. If you guys did not catch my live stream when I was talking about adrenal fatigue, please do yourself a favor and watch that video on YouTube. My YouTube is called Donata Skinfood, Donata Skinfood. I think the video was 20-30 minutes. Take 20-30 minutes and watch the video on adrenal fatigue. I guarantee you, if there's 10 people watching, 8 of you guys are gonna have an aha moment, because adrenal fatigue is something that's not common, it's not well versed, and Western doctors are not familiar with adrenal fatigue. And the very few that are, I guarantee you they have some holistic training or background or knowledge to help them to know what adrenal fatigue is. So if you find yourself always sluggish, always tired, always moody, needing soda, needing coffee, needing Red Bull, needing something extra to keep you going because your body just doesn't have enough energy to go on its own, please take a minute and look at it's called Adrenal Fatigue on my Skinfood channel on YouTube. If you have issues with panic attacks, if you have issues with depression, if you have issues with anxiety, skin issues, hair loss, I'm trying to think of the symptoms, brittle nails, darkness around your eyes, dark circles, what else? Fibromyalgia, fibroid issues. It's like 75 symptoms that if you're saying yes to a lot of them, you definitely want to look into adrenal fatigue. I shared my story, I shared the symptoms, and I shared what I did from 2014 to now to get myself to be who I am today, and also what I'm having to cut back on now that I notice it's starting to act up again. So not only watch it, like the channel, share the channel with your followers, because you don't know who in your circle you could be helping by sharing that information. If you have a friend that has to drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee a day, or must have 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day, definitely share my adrenal fatigue video with them. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna wrap it up and start heading out to the market. I'm gonna have my detox drink, and I maybe jump back on live later, but you'll definitely see me tomorrow, as tomorrow will be the last day before my juice cleanse. Okay, guys? I need your love, I need your prayers. I hear a juice cleanse is very tough, so I'm trying to mentally prepare for it. So just keep me in mind, and I promise you guys I will share every step of my journey while I'm juicing after the juice cleanse. I'm going to journal a lot. I'm going to do a lot of personal videos, and I will share that with you guys at the end, because I know once you guys see how the juicing cleanse has been healing for me, I know you're going to want to do that also and give yourself that treat. So I'll keep in touch with you guys after the juice cleanse. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and then I'll be on my hiatus, okay? If you want to watch all my videos on skin and be up on what you need to do for your skin in the meantime, take a look again at my YouTube channel called Donata Skinfood. And if you want to join my email list, I may be sending out one more email before I start my juice cleanse, just to kind of wrap it up and let you guys know what's going on, okay? Again, if you have any questions regarding your mind, body, skin, and hair, send them to me via Facebook or DM before midnight tomorrow. I will not be on social media from Monday to Monday. So if you have any questions, you need your products, come see me at the farmer's market. I'll be there today and maybe a few hours tomorrow, but Stephanie will be there tomorrow for sure. Okay, guys? Thank you all. Share my live stream with your loved ones and help them to kind of get started on a healthier journey also, okay? Love you guys. Hi, Sharon. Bye, guys. Bye, Amy. Have a blessed day. Bye.